Today we will be embarking on a journey on a guide to a healthy lifestyle. We will be talking about important parts that go along in a healthy lifestyle. Healthy eating, exercise, stress management, hygiene. This video is for educational purposes only. For medical advice or diagnosis, consult a professional. But let's start off already.
First, we will be discussing healthy eating, which is an important role in a healthy lifestyle. Have your diet consists of foods like, for example, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, fish, meat, eggs, legumes, starches, and proteins. These foods can help prevent chronic diseases and health problems later in life and maintain a healthy weight and support bodily functions.
Discuss about unhealthy foods by its potential health consequences. We wanted to mention about HFCF contained in foods that you may be consuming regularly. This highly refined and processed sweetener can be found in ketchup, applesauce, crackers, sweets, and treats. Cookies, commercially packaged salad kits, barbecue sauces, and dressings. Canned fruits, breakfasts, syrups, soda, sauces, and even breads. High fructose corn syrup is derived from genetically modified corn. It is healthy. It is highly refined. Research has linked high consumption to major weight gain, insulin resistance, diabetes, metabolic disorders, fatty liver disease, and inflammation in the body. Avoid this sweetener at all costs and swap it out for better alternatives.
Now, aside of what we previously discussed, we will now mention and talk about seed oils and refined grains. Seed oils are oils that have been extracted and derived from stuff like seeds or legumes. There is stuff like canola oil, sunflower oil, peanut oil, and soybean oil. A lot of these oils can be high in omega-6 and low in omega-3s. This imbalance between omega-6 and omega-3, it's often linked to inflammation in the body. Some seed oils can have hexane residues in them, which is commonly found during the refining trace amounts of trans fats. For healthier alternatives like avocado or olive oil, which contain monostrated and healthy fats and other healthy benefits.
Now, since we've discussed seed oils, I'll talk about refined grains. Refined grains are grains that have been stripped and refined of their naturally infused nutrients. Typically from whole grains. For refined grains, they have a high glycemic index, which is digested quickly and can cause a rapid spike in insulin and blood sugar levels, leading to energy crash and leading to more cravings. Aside from whole grains, refined grains provide less satiety and doesn't trigger any fullness signals in your brain. Aside from insulin and blood sugar spikes, they can also cause inflammation and chronic disease risk when consumed in excess.
Now, since we've talked about refined carbs, grains, and seed oils, we will now talk about trans fat now. Trans fat is the most unhealthy fat aside from other types of fats like saturated, unsaturated, and omega-3s. Trans fat is an artificially produced fat, and it's mostly present in hydrogenated products like partially hydrogenated oils. Trans fat is very dangerous for the body. It can significantly increase one's risk for heart disease, and they do very detrimental stuff to the body, like increasing your risk of inflammation, metabolic syndrome, obesity, Alzheimer's, cancer, diabetes. Luckily, trans fat has been banned for a while now because of major health risks associated with it. However, it has allegedly still been present in some products still. This is the end of the video right now. In conclusion, this is an introduction and some guidance on a healthy lifestyle. We've discussed all details we wanted to discuss here. This was all made by Phillip, Jack, and Andrew, who edited, made, and recorded voices in this podcast.
Oh, yes!